Want to delete private or incognito browsing history on Windows 11? Here's how for Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Open Command Prompt. As administrator, click on the Start menu and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, UAC, click Yes. Flush the DNS cache in the Command Prompt window, type the following command: ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. If successful, you will see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Reset the WinSock catalog. Next, type the following command: copy code netsh winsock reset, press Enter. You should see a message: successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer to complete the reset. Restart your computer. Close any open applications. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.